My family, that's all my family had the same the surname, the middle name and the name. Wang Kim, all the same.
Everybody the same.
The same Wang Kim.
Oh.
We don't make the mixing another.
Right.
We have the same Wang Kim. Wang Kim. Only own Wang Kim.
Only the last, the name is different. Only one name is different.
Yeah.
Tell me again, so this land was your great grandfather, he was a farmer?
Yeah. He the farmer before. And then he moved to the Hanoi to make business.
Right.
And then one day he passed away. He have the witch, the build up the temple in here to worship the family ancestor.
Yes.
And then that's the ancestor for all my family. Yeah. So we have to clean around we have to make the plan for the people to clean. That's in my turn.
It's your turn to come and
So
clean
I
today.
have to clean.
And then we just saw you on the road.
Yeah.
That's so special.
Yeah, very special. So I have the wit to make the genealogy for all of them in here.
Yes.
From ancestor to here to my
To take all their names to the temple.
And then on them to the temple.
Yeah.
That time I sit in here and I talk with the missionary. The missionary very the tribe. And then I also want to see the signal. That's my ancestors. Sometimes I ask them, and then I ask them means my spirit. It is better to be the member of the church. And then suddenly the big the butterfly, very big one, come inside and make the signal for me. This one.
Yeah.
This means they're very happy to be know about it. And then I always prepare, that I'm cleaning of that, but I always prepare some of the book for myself. In this one, in here.
I know that. Yes.
And
That's from Chinyan.
Yeah.
Right? Chinyan.
This one for myself. Yeah. So when I have the time, I'm sit here to reading and practice myself. Yeah.
Thank you, friends, so much for listening. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you get a chance, check out our blog, A Bus on a Dusty Road. We have a lot of other great recipes there. Thank you.